Yo, what's up, y'all? So today's gonna be a long-awaited video. Finally working on the beater. We're gonna be installing the camber arms I mentioned in the last video. Let's just hop in today's video and y'all see what's up. I got just a little baby camber in my car, like natural camber, obviously. What we're trying to do today is we're basically gonna put the camera arms, and I'm not trying to run with like -5 because at the end of the day, I'm not trying to go like excessive. I ain't gonna hold you, so I'm gonna do that because I'm gonna have a couple more things coming for the car. I really want to paint this, bro. Like, I want to pop up the clean coat with a different color because this plus the camera will look so fire. Like, even though I don't like the fitment in the front right now, that shit would hit. I mean, sounds decent for what it is, but it could be louder, but I ain't tripping. Oh yeah, I also got that swerve band. I put that on from the show. I'm jacking out the car, getting ready to install the camber arms. I got my boy sliding through so we can install them, and hopefully we're gonna be cambered out today. Alright, so as y'all can tell, I got the rim off, sitting over there, and from what I heard, that the camber arm should be somewhere down here. Oh, as y'all can tell, by the way, this is a bitch to get out and adjust, bro. That coilover adjuster is nothing to play with, bro. Like, I'm telling you, it is so hard to take that shit out. It's not even funny. And just to adjust it, it's like a 15-minute process. I hate it. We're probably gonna jump into this shit and let's do it. Alright, so the issue we're having is the bolt that connects in the back has to come out, and the bolt basically doesn't come out to the point where it releases the factory camber arm. We're trying to figure that out, but we moved to the left side to see if it's easier on this side because there's more room. So once we figure that out, put the aftermarket one on, I'll get back to y'all. How do you feel about the right side?
Fuck that shit.
Literally after 2 seconds, we got the factory one. Now we're about to put in the aftermarket one. It wasn't that bad. It was not that bad. Alright, as y'all can tell, bro, that shit's tilted. Probably not noticeable because it's in the air, but bro, just wait. We now have to move on to the problem child side. That's just
a few moments later.
Okay, so about 45 minutes later, we finally got it out. What we had to do is we had to take the jack, put extra wood on it, jack it up, and then we had to bend it with the crowbar. If you see it back there,
You gotta bend the that little piece of metal, bend it inward so you can take the bolt fully out right here. This little piece of metal, crowbar, bend it forward, and then the bolt slides straight out.
Yeah, so that's where we're at, but we finally gonna be able to install this other camber arm so we could go outside today and take some pics because fuck, it's been a long day. Alright, so we put the car on the floor and that shit is so good. Yo, I'm in love with it. I'm in love with it. I love it. I'm gonna tweak with it a little bit, do the adjustments, see what I want to do, and that's basically it. We may go see people's reactions to the car, if anything, because I want to get people's reactions. Because bro, that shit looks good as fuck. I'm not gonna hold you, especially my editor, bro. He's gonna go crazy. But let's see, bro. I haven't showed nobody. It's obviously for the installer. Shout out to him, by the way. I'll put his Instagram in the description and shit. Homeboy really did it, bro. Let me get you out the front profile of this car real quick, bro. Hold on. Yes. Tomorrow, hopefully, I get a couple more reactions for this video because this video is kind of short, but you know what? It's an install. Like, what do you expect? I measured it. I got -6, but if you're wondering, how do you measure how much camber you have? So all you gotta do is get a piece of like 2x4, put this hole on the rim like that. If you have iPhone, the measure app, and then you should have a level. Now, when I go measure it, It's saying I got about -6 degrees of camber. I went up about 4 degrees from what I was naturally, which was about 2. Now all I gotta do is I gotta do a spacer because fitness kind of weak. It's kind of far from the fender, but it's cool. We're gonna get the probably do like a 10 mil spacer, and then I gotta get my alignment done. Other than that, I want to get my front fitment pretty much dialed in.
Day 2.
Hey yo, trying to put a spacer on this bitch. Let me see
It's
it,
way too big.
bro.
These are for like, I don't know what the fuck. I bought them. I didn't think of looking at the hub size. Why you trying to sound like a fuckboy on camera?
Who's a motherfucker? Huh? I
Talk
don't want to
normal.
yell, nigga.
Is that?
That's the camber arm. Yeah. You broke my fucking lug nut tool. Holy shit, that's bad. I didn't even see that up close. Alright, so we picked up Pretty Princess over here. Car, what do you think of the car?
I love it. It really fits the vibe. Now, new color.
I'm gonna go match Jarvis with his pink.
Told them crown me, my ring finger got a rock on it, rock on it. I put my head up and told them crown me, my ring finger got a rock on it, rock on it, rock on it.